This is the King Boy trying. Today we are here fixing my door, my driver door. Anybody with a 2004, 2008 F-150, y'all may understand this right here. This is actually a quite common issue with the F-150, so let's get to it. Hey, you ever had an issue with your door and you got a extended cab, and you try to open your door and your door won't open at all? Like you have to like pry on it basically to get it open. As you can see, I'm basically rocking the truck and the door is still not open. So let me see if I can get this door open, because it would make it a lot easier to get that door turned off. There we go. These body styles are known, like they come in known to have issue with the it's like little plastic. Well, they have these body styles have these rubber pieces in it right here, as you can see right here. Now these are the aftermarket replacement. They are made of like aluminum or something, and these are much more durable than the rubber pieces that opens the door. Basically, the way this door works, it works on a spring system, and when you open this door right here, as you can see, it pulls the springs back and allows these tabs to pull in different direction, and that's what unlocks the door right there. But over time, the rubber ones, they get dry rotted and they start breaking or decaying and stuff, and they'll fall apart when you try to open the door. So let's go in and fix this, and I'm gonna show you how to step by step how to fix it. You need a screwdriver, preferably a flathead or Phillips. Either one, you might need one or both. You'll need a 10 millimeter and a 6 millimeter. And like I said, it's much easier to use a quarter-inch ratchet, but you don't necessarily have to use a quarter-inch ratchet. But you'll need a 10 millimeter, a screwdriver, and some drill bits. And the reason why you need some drill bits is because like the aftermarket these are not exactly, the eBay quality, they're not perfect. You tend to have to drill them out a little bit to make it work. It makes it a little bit easier to get them on the wire, because they're actually slightly too small, and it's kind of a struggle if you're trying to force this on there. Not saying that you can't, but if you drill them out just slightly, it makes it a lot more easier to install these right here. So let's get to it. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna start off with the Phillips. As you see right here, you can definitely tell that this piece right here is actually pretty good. Also the one upstairs, you can see, this is normally what they do. They'll dry rot and start cracking. As you can see, I can like break it with my fingers and stuff. Also, to get to this one here below, the one that actually clipped to the bottom piece right here, as you can see at the bottom of the door, you'll need a T27. As you can see right here, if you look off on it, both of these, all three of these bolts are T27. Also, to get to this part right here, you need to remove these two right here, or these three actually. They also T27. Now with the top part, the other door, I can say you can remove this, but the other door, you don't really necessarily need to get to that. You can actually, well, you might have to actually get to that. Yeah, it's not really no specific way of getting that out right there, but you can actually get to this right here without taking this piece off right here. So let's get to it. You can see right here, if you look real close, this is actually the reason why the door was so hard to open up. This piece right here is completely broken in half. So let's go in here and install this face piece right here and fix this right here. Now what I'm about to do right here is fix this drill, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of fire down these ends around this corner right here, because it's actually, as I can say, this is the eBay quality. It's not perfect, It doesn't just slide in like it's actually supposed to. It actually slightly too big around the middle part right here where this gap at. Also, I'm gonna have to drill it out. Like I say earlier in the video, I had to drill this hole out because actually it's too small for it to go. Because what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to clip in like that and slide down this thing right here, and it fits like this right here. As you can see right here, I got them all put on. Got this one here put on. This one here put on. The only one I don't have put on right now is this one here. The bottom right here, taking these bolts out makes it a lot easier to take it to put it on. But once you take these bolts out and pull this piece out, it's actually pretty easy. Now the hardest one to put on is the top, and the reason why it says the top because it's the only one when you order the kit, it had this funny end on it. And the reason why it had this funny end on it because there's no way you can really just get your hand, you can't get nothing in there. And so the reason why you have to have the smaller pieces is because this is the only one that slides in that hole right here. Now what makes this one hard to put on is that not only that you gotta get it in that hole, you gotta get it to go on that wire too. And that could be a little tricky right there. So let's get to it. Got everything installed right here, as you can see. I know it's kind of dark. Open the door open up no problem. Close, open up no problem. I hope y'all like this video right here. Y'all make sure to hit that like, share, subscribe. I hope this video was informational. I know it's dark right now. I had to stop for a little bit. I had some few things I had to do, but I got it fixed. The door closed, no problem. Opened up with no problem. A lot of time, if your door, if you drive 2004, 2008 F150, all the way to 2008, or 11 Gen F150, and your back door won't open, that is the primary reason why it won't open. It's because of them little clips right there. I don't really understand why Ford use rubber clips, because they over time they get the heat and moisture and everything, makes them dry rot and they break. But there's a replacement, the aluminum replacement fixes it, and you should not have no more problems no more. I know I don't have no more problems. So this is the King Boy channel, and we out.